Start with a magic circle and chain 2. The starting chain 2, it won't be counted as a stitch, and for this whole pattern the starting chain 2, it won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 12 double crochets in the circle. Once you are done, pull up this loop to close the gap and slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. This one. Next round, start with chain 2, 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Chain 1 and 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Chain 1. Now repeat this all around and take this yarn ends along with the working yarn. 2 double crochets. Chain 1. Once you're done, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet, and total you should have 24 stitches. Next round, start with chain 2, 1 double crochet in the same stitch, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. This is the chain 1 space, don't make a stitch over here. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, chain 1. Now repeat this all around. 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, chain 1, once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet, and total you should have 36 stitches and 12 chain spaces. Next round, start with chain 2, 1 double crochet each in the next 2 stitches, two double crochets in the next stitch, chain 1, and now repeat the same. 1 double crochet each in the next 2 stitches, two double crochets in the next stitch, chain 1, once you reach then, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet, and total you should have 48 stitches. Now this round onwards, the increase pattern, it is going to be the same. Start each and every round with chain 2 and keep increasing the starting number of stitches by 1. In this round we had started off with 1 double crochet and 1 increase, and here it was 2 double crochets and 1 increase. So here the next round it should be 3 double crochets and 1 increase and 1 chain 1. So after every increase you will make a chain 1, and the stitch count with each round it will keep increasing by multiples of 12. I'll show you one more round. Start with chain 2, 1 double crochet in the same stitch, 2 and 3, 1 increase in the next stitch, that is 2 double crochets, chain 1, and now keep repeating this. 1 double crochet each in the next 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3, and 1 increase. And once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Keep repeating this round up till round 12. This is how it will look after round 12. At the end of round 12, while making the slip stitch, change to the other color. And you can weave off this yarn. I've stopped the increase at round 12, but if you wish to make a bigger size doily, you can keep repeating this rounds until you reach the size which you need. Next round, start with chain 1 single crochet in the same stitch, 1 single crochet in each stitch until you reach the chain 1 space. Five double crochets in this chain space. Chain 2 and 5 more double crochets in the same space. This is how it will look. Now repeat this all around, 1 single crochet in each and every stitch until this space. It's easy to miss out this first stitch, so just pull this yarn a bit and make the single crochet in the first stitch. Five double crochets. Chain 2 and 5 more double crochets in the same space. And once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first single crochet and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.